morning, sir.
Good morning.
Morning.
How should I call you?
I'm Chris. You can call me Chris.
Chris, okay. Okay, so, Mr. Chris, how are you today?
I'm totally good and fine.
It's good to hear. Okay, so let's move on and go straight forward for your resume.
Yes, sir.
Based on your resume, I've seen you have a lot of experience in banking. So, Mr. Chris, tell me about yourself.
Sabi ko na kanina, no? So, I'm Chris and I'm hardworking and patient person. I have experience 3 years in banking industry.
Okay. Why should I hire you?
Since I have experience this particular field, it can help and I can be an asset from this company.